Good morning YouTube, and welcome to another edition of MCG Electrics. Another sunny day in Brighton. As you can see, today we are back to one of my clients to change some decking lights. So last year they refurbed their back garden. We've got lovely different sets of lighting in here, all controlled by the fabulous Rako system. If you haven't heard about Rako, check out their website. Look at my Instagram at MCG Electrics. You can actually see some of the pictures from this garden. You'll recognise it if you look on there and see some of the posts. But Rako is a lovely smart lighting system that lets you control all different channels and various things from your phone, from keypads, etc, etc. So I'll walk you around the garden and show you the different things that it controls and the different scenes that it does. But yeah, today unfortunately the decking lights, we've been having issues since the day they were installed. They are Knightsbridge, and I've already replaced half of them because they haven't even lasted a year. So today we're here to swap them all out for a different brand, because understandably the customer has had enough of them. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having a little chat with Knightsbridge about what we're going to do about it. But that's a story for another day. So let's get stuck in, and first I'll show you around. Okay, so here is the garden. So around the perimeter we have got little floodlights that light up all around the garden. There is a little light down here. It's a bit overgrown at the moment, but there is a little light down here that specifically lights up this tree. Lovely tree. Here are the decking lights in question. We've got them dotted around the decking. So the Rako system we've got installed has got 5 channels. It controls the water feature, so you can turn that on and off. It controls the decking lights. It controls all the lighting around the perimeter of the garden, and it specifically controls the light that shines up this tree. So the customer can choose to have them all on. He can choose to have one of them on. He could choose to turn on the water feature and the lights at the same time. Any number of combinations he wants. It's really cool. I highly recommend you have a look. I've been on the Rako course to do all the installation for it, and I've got it in my own house. I can't praise it enough. It's fantastic. Yes, check them out, Rako Controls. In a moment I will take you to see the control box where all the magic happens. So tucked down here is where all the controls are. So you can see everything is running back into these boxes. Here we've got all the different connections, and in here we have got the controls. So let's have a look. So we've got power coming in and going around the garden. Inside here we have all the Rako control system. So you can see the tree light, water light, because there's a light that specifically lights up the water feature, turn the water feature on and off, spike lights around the perimeter, and the decking lights. As I say, this is all controlled via keypad in the house or the customer's mobile phone. And the great thing about this is you can set up scheduling, so it can turn on at dusk and turn off at a certain time. You can set it for different days of the week, so on the weekends it can turn on earlier, later. It's amazing. I cannot praise it enough. Please check out Rako. Amazing. So we're going to get started and remove all the decking lights. So I will do another video in a moment once we've got them all out and we started connecting the new lights in. See you in a minute. So the great thing about this decking system is you can undo the clips, which are star bits, as you can see, holding all the decking in. Slide them along, and then you can just lift a piece of decking out. Fantastic design, love it. One of my favourite decking designs ever. Okay, so a quick update. We've started making the holes bigger. So we've got our arbor with the original 60mm hole and the new 83mm hole to enlarge each of the holes. So we've started enlarging the holes, done one there. There's the junction for it. There is one of the original holes which we're about to enlarge. As you can see, we've taken certain boards up to go round. So I am in the process of making that hole the size of that hole. Well, Christian, wave Christian, say hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. He is second fixing the new lights. So we will be back shortly when hopefully they're all in and we can do some testing. See you in a moment. Right, as you can see, we've now cut all the holes to the new sizes. And we're in the process of wiring up the new light fittings. Fingers crossed, another hour and we should have them on. Be back with the lights on shortly. Okay, we've got all the lights installed and working now. As you can see, they're all on. So we just have to put the covers back together, place them in the holes, have a little tidy up and just make sure the rest of the Rako system is working. Give you a quick show you the Rako system. As I said earlier in the video, you can control it via an app on your phone or computer, or there's a keypad in the kitchen. But here we can also manually turn them on, and doing so is there the different channels. As you can see, the water feature is now working, the light, the water feature, and then the lights around the garden. Obviously it's broad daylight, glorious sunshine, so you can't really see them, but there's one of the lights just over there. Yeah, and then we can manually turn everything off. But like I said, you can have all manner of scenes and scenarios. So you know, you can have Monday, Tuesdays and Fridays, they come on at 10, they come on at 2, that doesn't come on, then you can have just those turned on together, you can have that turned on together. It's limitless, you know, you can set up all sorts of scenes within the system. You know, one button to turn them all on, one button, you know, button individually. The choice is endless. So yeah, cracking system, check it out. Rako, UK manufacturers, everything's made here, and they got headquarters in Kent, I think it is, where I did the training. Yeah, can't fault it enough. And we will be back shortly when the lights are all in place for the final walkthrough. See you in a minute. So ladies and gentlemen, it's the final video of the day. We're just tidying up. All the decking lights are in and on. I'll turn around and show you in a minute. If you have any questions or comments about what we've done today, or Rako, or anything talking shop, just put a like and a comment down below and I'll try and get back to you. As always, please like and share and subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos. But last but not least, here are the decking lights. All replaced, in and working all around. And I'll just show you as well the Rako control pad, which is just inside the customer's house. It's just here. So you've got decking lights, spike lights, tree light, water feature, and I think they've got water light and water feature on, and one of these will be all on as well. But you, as I say, you can program them all in individually, all different scenes, and all off, which turns them off, and they are all controlled via the Rako hub, which sits there. As I say, brilliant bit of software. Any questions regarding it, please go to their website or visit my Instagram page, or even just comment and ask, and I'll reply. And I'll see you on the next one.